Hi, I'm Marley. This is first tutorial on song No Woman, No Cry. And strumming. And chords in the intro: C, G with B, A minor, F, and G. So, when you play chord F, you play F, E, D, and C, this one. And chord G, you play G, A, B, and G. So, C and G. Again. And chorus. So chorus: C, G, B, A minor, F, C, F, C, and G. So, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Verse and bridge: C, G with B, A minor 7, and F. So, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 dum. Da 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 da. And in the bridge, da 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 da. So very easy, very easy. And thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.